This video is taking place at the White House. And it has Willie in it. No, not Willie. From my video series, Politically Correct Pudding. This Willie is a celebrity, and he is visiting the White House. And it just so happens that he opens the wrong door. He steps into the wrong room at the wrong time. Barack's in there, and he is in the middle of something. And he tells Willie, "It's not what you think. I'm a diabetic." And Willie laughs. And he says, "Hey man, I didn't see a thing. But a word of warning. Don't do that up on the roof." Nowadays, just about every one of those helicopters has a camera on it. Oh, for those helicopters in Willie. Picked up Melton page, May 2013, and my latest videos on DVD. Make plenty of copies and pass them along. All over the country. Come see me, come for me personally.